Hello everyone, Matthew Simmons here. I want to bring you another original design. This is the Lemon Lime Wreath. Not because we got lemon lime colors. Let's go ahead and get started. I'm using two ties, as you can tell. I got both of them on my left side around my belt line. I'm going to come over here and just put in a fold. Just fold it in half. Here we have this right here. You're going to want it to be two-toned like that, and then we're going to do a wreath like so. Like this. Bring it back around like this. Then I'm going to leave them both unfolded and we're going to bring them both down across like so. If I can get this one to go down. Here we have it. This is what we have so far. So I don't see much of my green there on the top in there, so I want to see that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring this bottom one through the top loop here. Then I'm going to come back across like this. Move that over here. Bring it back across underneath like so. Pop it down like this. Then I'm going to bring this and just do a quick wreath. Put it through this top one here. Do a quick wreath like that and bring it down. Put the collar down. Tuck that underneath there where you can't see that. You don't want to see it. You never want to see that. I got a thread here that I'm going to have to cut. Okay, I have to cut that thread. But anyway, all you know it's time, my friends. You're fearful, wonderful made. We'll catch you in the next episode.